Okay, so we have the Challenger complete. The damage was here in this section here. The hood was crumpled. The fender was destroyed. We replaced the fender, and the edge of the door here, this whole edge of this door was damaged. We just finished polishing it, so you can see it looks pretty clean. Might need to go over it again with a buffer, but that's kind of like the preliminary finished product. Bumpers right here. Once again, the damage was in this area. A few rock chips we didn't repair those. This customer didn't want to pay for that. But overall, looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. Everybody's happy. Ta-da!